Hi everyone, it's Mary. Summer's here, which means I'm gonna give you my favorite summer beauty hacks. So keep on watching. First thing we're gonna start off with is gonna be our complexion. Now, regardless of your skin type, you wanna make sure that you are moisturizing your skin, whether you are dry, oily, or combination skin. So if you have dry skin, you wanna make sure that you are opting for cream-based moisturizers. And if you have oily skin, you wanna make sure that you're opting for gel-based moisturizers. Because I have dry skin, I'm gonna opt for a gripping primer and put that all over my skin. If you have oilier skin, you can focus more with a silicone-based primer around your T-zone. Now it's summertime, so we're ditching our foundation. We're opting in for a breathable, lightweight skin tint. The really beautiful thing about this skin tint is that it's serum infused, so it's incredibly hydrating on your skin. Now, typically if I'm using a serum infused skin tint, I love to use a brush to pack and press in the product onto my skin. But at the very end, I love to take a beauty sponge and make sure that there are no streaks and it all looks incredibly seamless. I really love the coverage of my skin, but I'm gonna go in and add concealer where I need. Make sure that when you're applying the skin tint, you avoid applying it underneath the eyes. Because it's serum infused, we don't want that to seep into any of our fine line. I love to let my concealer sit for about a minute so that my skin absorbs the product and there's more color payoff and more pigmentation and just overall more coverage. Make sure that anytime you're working a product into your skin, you are pressing and patting it. You're not sweeping and you're not gliding, so that way we are not removing anything that's underneath. Now it's summer, we're all about that effortless, bronzy, glistening skin, and this is where cream products come to play. I love to take my cream bronzer onto the same foundation brush that I use and just work that along my cheekbones, up top on my temples, and then just at the tip of the nose. One of my favorite techniques for a summer blush placement is going to be on the apples and around the bridge of my nose for that gorgeous, sun-kissed, summery glow. I'll take whatever is left over and start melting it around my forehead, jawline, and down the neck. Don't forget the neck. And in order for this to last long, we have to set our face. So let me teach you guys how to set your face while still maintaining this beautiful, gorgeous, glowy, glistening skin. Regardless of our skin type, we wanna make sure that we are setting our makeup so that it lasts long and the products don't start moving. I'm gonna take some translucent powder and press it at the back of my hand just to work the product into my sponge. And then I'm gonna start with wherever I applied my concealer and work that underneath my eyes. Whatever's left over, we're gonna work it on the corners of our nose, top of our mouth, our chin, and then underneath our jawline. This is our skin without any powders, and this is it being set. The powder is going to also help blur out any of our imperfections and make sure that everything is locked in. Now I've added my powder blush and my powder bronzer, but I'm gonna teach you guys how to bring the glisten back into the skin, okay? This is my industry secret for years. I'm gonna take my cream blush with my big fluffy brush and just lightly press that on the apples of my cheek and work it up to my temple to bring the dew back into the skin. And we have a beautiful, gorgeous, dewy finish. The most important part is that the rest of our face is gonna be set, so our makeup is gonna last all day long. My final summer beauty tip is gonna be on our lips. You're gonna take a lip balm. This one's one of my favorites. I'm going to work the product onto my lips, and it already looks so good as is, but we're gonna take it one step further. I love a bullet nude lipstick, especially one that has a satin finish, which is really going to complement this entire look. Here's the final look. I had so much fun creating this look with you guys. Comment down below, let me know which was your favorite beauty product that I shared or tip. And as always, make sure to subscribe to BoxyCharm with a link in the description box. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.